Hello friends! Is your car struggling with performance, giving poor mileage, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0431, you're in the right place. This error code is related to the catalytic converter on bank 2, which helps control emissions during warm-up. Ignoring it can lead to reduced engine efficiency, failed emissions tests, and expensive repairs. In this video, I'll explain what P0431 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0431? The P0431 error code stands for warm-up catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 2. Your car's catalytic converter is responsible for reducing harmful exhaust emissions. The engine control unit, or ECU, monitors its efficiency using oxygen sensors before and after the converter. If the ECU detects that the bank 2 catalytic converter isn't heating up and working efficiently, it triggers code P0431. Common symptoms of P0431 include the check engine light turning on, poor fuel efficiency, reduced acceleration and power, an unusual rotten egg smell from the exhaust, and a failed emissions test. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the key sensors and components to diagnose the issue. The P0431 code affects the catalytic converter on bank 2, which is the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. The catalytic converter on bank 2 is found in the exhaust system between the exhaust manifold and mid-pipe. The upstream, or pre-cat oxygen sensor, is located before the catalytic converter on bank 2. The downstream, or post-cat oxygen sensor, is located after the catalytic converter on bank 2. The exhaust manifold on bank 2 connects the engine exhaust to the catalytic converter. And finally, the oxygen sensor wiring and connectors are found along the exhaust pipe leading to the ECU. Sensor locations can vary by vehicle model. Always check the service manual for precise placement. The common causes of the P0431 code include a failing catalytic converter, which may be clogged, overheating, or damaged, reducing efficiency. Faulty oxygen sensors can also be a culprit. If an oxygen sensor sends incorrect readings, the ECU may think the catalytic converter is failing. Exhaust leaks before the converter, such as a cracked exhaust manifold or a leaking gasket, can cause incorrect oxygen sensor readings. An engine misfire or a rich fuel mixture, which can be caused by faulty spark plugs, bad fuel injectors, or vacuum leaks, can also affect emissions. Finally, wiring or connector issues, such as damaged or corroded oxygen sensor wires, can cause false readings and trigger the P0431 code. How to fix P0431? Well, let's go through the steps, shall we? Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0431 code and check for additional fault codes. Step 2. Inspect the catalytic converter on bank 2 for physical damage, overheating, or clogging. Step 3. Check the upstream and downstream O2 sensors for contamination or failure. Step 4. Look for exhaust leaks near the exhaust manifold, gaskets, and pipes. Step 5. Use a multimeter or scan tool to check O2 sensor voltage readings. Replace if necessary. Step 6. If the catalytic converter is damaged or clogged, replacement may be required. And finally, Step 7. Clear the error code with an OBD-II scanner and take the vehicle for a test drive. The P0431 error code can lead to poor fuel economy, sluggish performance, and emissions failure. If you have this issue, check the catalytic converter, inspect O2 sensors, and look for exhaust leaks. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0144, O2 sensor circuit high voltage, bank 1, sensor 3, and P0145, O2 sensor circuit slow response, bank 1, sensor 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.